until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Camp McDowell to near Bankhead Lock and Dam, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jasper, Summit 2, Cordova,
Summit 2.
Parish,
Summit on.
60, West Jefferson, Nauvoo, Curry, Gorga Steam Plant, Camp McDowell, Smith Dam, Nesmith.
Oh, we got a double header. We got a double header coming up. It's in my county again.
Moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
We got a double header.
A severe
We got a
thunderstorm
double header.
issued until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Walker, Alabama.
It's not coming from me.
We got a double header.
Severe thunderstorm warning for Blount County, Shelby County, Jefferson County, St. Clair County until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Wow.
At 7:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Gorga Steel Plant to Wilton, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Birmingham, Hoover, Vestavia,
Yep, I'm under it again.
Bessemer, Homewood, Pelham, Mountain Brook, Trustville, Helena, Jewtown, Gardendale, Bell City, Irondale, Leeds, Moody, Calera, Fairfield, Chelsea, and Rainbow City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Alabama, Blount, Jefferson, Shelby, and St. Clair.
Let's go. That's the first double header in 2024. Wow.
East Central Marengo, Erie, Southern Bay